Dual Extruder 3D printers are an excellent solution for multicolor and multi-material 3D printing. You don't need to swap out filaments for a color change or limit yourself to printing with only a single material at a time. In a dual extrusion printing process, you get two entirely separate extruders for printing with multiple filaments. In this video we will look at some of the 139 best dual extruder 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Sovol SV04. The Sovol SV04 3D printer is an improvement over the previous SV02 in many ways. The most notable is its larger print area. With a print space of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, it helps you make the most of the printer's two extruders. You get plenty of space to print two larger models at once, taking full advantage of the duplication and mirroring print modes on the printer. Both extruders have a Titan-style direct drive system that helps them work with a wide range of materials. For a dual extruder 3D printer that costs less than $500, the print quality is impressive. You also get automatic bed leveling, quiet TMC stepper drivers, filament runout sensors, and a flexible build plate. These features improve the general user experience and help you get better printing results. However, while printing in dual extrusion mode, the secondary hot end takes a while to heat up, which can be an inconvenience if you are time pressed. All things considered, the Sovol SV04 is a great deal for what it costs. It's a good machine for beginners and hobbyists on a tighter budget that still wish to enjoy the advantages of dual extruder 3D printing. Number 2. Snapmaker J1s. The Snapmaker J1, or J1s, is the company's newest and first dual extruder 3D printer. It's big, sturdy, and produces excellent results with its independent dual extruder system. As we covered in our Snapmaker J1s review, the J1 and J1s are practically the same machine. The only difference between them is the large cooling fan of the S model, which is also available separately to upgrade the J1 with. All of the J1's features, including the IDEX system, are top-notch and reliable. Snapmaker has coded the printer so that the idle hot end is preheated and kept at printing temperature while the active hot end prints. This makes sure that the material switch happens near instantaneously, saving you extra time while printing. Both of the hot ends on the J1 can heat up to 300 degrees Celsius, giving you a lot of options for the materials you can use. The direct extruder setup improves print quality even more and makes it easy to print with flexible filaments. When we tested the Snapmaker J1, most of its features surprised us positively. The PA-coated glass bed, easy calibration process, brilliant touchscreen display, and fast printing speeds were all notable and impressive in their own ways. The J1s does have shortcomings. However, its maximum print height is only 20 mm high, and its cantilevered bed design raised questions for us. The print bed experiences Z-wobble at high speeds, impacting print quality. Not what you want from a self-proclaimed fast 3D printer. Number 3. Flashforge Creator Pro 2. While the aforementioned Flashforge Dreamer is suited for beginners and amateur users, the Flashforge Creator Pro 2 is aimed more toward the professional user base. The Creator Pro 2 is a fully enclosed 3D printer with a similar level of user convenience, but now with an upgraded independent dual extruder system, IDEX. The Flashforge Creator Pro 2 has multiple printing modes that let you print mirrored designs, duplicate your models for faster 3D printing, and even print with soluble support materials for complex and intricate 3D designs. The heated print bed and the enclosed design further expand the material compatibility of the printer, letting you print with PLA, ABS, HIPS, and PVA. The Flashforge Creator Pro 2 is a superb dual extruder 3D printer for industry professionals and hobbyists alike. You get robust build quality, an IDEX system, ease of use, and excellent printing, all for a relatively low cost. Number 4. QIDI Tech iFast. The QIDI Tech iFast is not for the masses and is instead more positioned as a premium 3D printer for prosumers. For almost $2,300, you get a printer that comes with many high-end features and a large build volume, uncommon in dual extruder 3D printers. To accommodate a wide variety of 3D designs, its heated print chamber measures 330 by 250 by 320 mm and is fully enclosed. For better printing with high-end materials like nylon, polycarbonate, carbon fiber, and polypropylene, it can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius. The motion system is fully supported with high-quality precision linear rails, and it has a dual Z-axis setup for increased accuracy. The QIDI Tech iFast is a feature-packed dual extruder 3D printer for professional use case scenarios and printing high-end prototypes. Despite its high price, it still offers excellent value compared to similar printers in this price range. If you're planning on adding an industrial machine to your workflow, the iFast is likely to be a perfect choice for your prototyping needs. Number 5. Ultimaker S5. The Ultimaker S5 is the bigger brother of the Ultimaker S3, but with a larger build volume to utilize the benefits of dual extrusion 3D printing fully. It is similar to the S3 in many aspects, but the additional upgrades and add-ons make it an automated industrial-level 3D printer. The S5's large build volume of 330 by 240 by 300 mm is suitable for big-sized objects, and it can be fully enclosed with an optional air management system to maintain a stable temperature in the printing area. This makes it more suitable as a nylon 3D printer or to work with other high-temperature filaments. To expand this 3D printer further, you can add a materials station that takes up to 6 materials and automatically choose the required material for the current print without any user intervention. The swappable print cores, retracting nozzles, and automatic bed leveling are the same as the S3, delivering a predictable and high-quality 3D printing experience each time.